Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python strings, which is collection of characters. So first of all, what are strings? So strings are collection of any characters. So the definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in double quotes, single quotes, or triple quotes is known as string. So in Python, it supports all three types of quotes: single, double, and triple. For example, hello in single quote, welcome to Python in double quote, space is also one character. So we can also use triple quote opening, triple quote closing, single triple quote, or double triple quote, and we can write a string in multiple lines: hi, hello, welcome. So here triple quotes are mainly used to represent string in multiple lines with new line, tab space as it is. Okay, so new line and tab spaces as it is, it will be stored in the form of a variable. And Python does not support any char data type. Even a single character is also a string in Python. For example, character A is in string, character 9 in string representation. So there is no separate char data type. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program: string collection of characters in quotes. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. S1 variable hi in single quotes, print S1. Right. So let us execute till here. All these cases we'll see one by one. Right. So put proper commenting for the remaining cases. Okay. Right. So let us take this, remove this comment here. So let us start one more comment here and another comment here. Right. And let us put one more comment here. Done. Fine. So S1 hi, print S1. So here I am using single quote to represent hi string. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and then run Python string example1.py. So S1 is hi. So let us take the next string here, S2. So in S2, I'm storing hello, welcome to Python string including spaces. Print S2. So spaces are also included. Hello, welcome to Python strings. So next let us take S3. So in S3, I'm going to take multi-line string. So the multi-line string goes like this here. We represent multi-line string using triple quotes. I'm using triple single quote opening, triple single quote closing, and then in S3 I'm storing hi, new line, hello, new line, welcome, new line, bye. So 4 different lines, 4 different statements or strings. So print S3. Right. Run the program. So hi, hello, welcome, bye, as it is on the output screen in 4 different lines. So next I'm going to do it like this. S4, I'm going to use triple double quotes. Okay. So first I'm writing hi. In the second line, I'm taking a tab space and writing hello. In the third line, I'm taking 2 tab spaces and writing bye. In the fourth, I'm taking 3 tab spaces with bye. Close the triple double quote. Right. S4 and print S4. So save this and then run it. So first line hi, second line tab space hello, third line 2 tab spaces welcome, and third line 3 tab spaces and bye. Okay. Right. And finally, I'm taking S5, in which I'm representing a string with a single character, and print S5. Okay. Right. So save this and run it. So S5 contains only a single character as string, which is A. So this is how we are supposed to work with string literals in Python programming. So which is a collection of characters represented in single quotes, double quotes, triple single quotes, and triple double quotes. So when character is a string in Python programming. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.